Hey, I'm Jen from Rustic Rehabs, and I scored really big this week. All of this for 80 bucks, and I already flipped some of it for my shop. Let me show you what's going on. It's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. It's Tuesday at like almost 1 o'clock. I'm running late today. Stupid insomnia. Who else has insomnia? So it is the Goodwill Menomonee Falls, and they have 20% off home decor this week. They've been changing it up. You never know until right before the week what they're gonna do. So let's go see what we can find. Look at the sky, it's gorgeous. This mirror was only $5 with 20% off on top of that. It is very, very cute. It's not the highest quality. It is plastic, but it looks really good. Stop and celebrate what makes you beautiful and different today. This bulletin board is going to be full of selfie pictures that I sent off to Shutterfly. I think I have 150 selfies I've printed. It's going to be so cool. If you ever stop into my shop, be ready. I may get out my phone and say, let's do a selfie. I don't buy a lot of signs, but I did grab this one. I think I'm going to put some little flowers on there and flip it. This lamp was cool, but it was really pretty broken and not in my skill set to fix it. This guy could use a makeover. He's got good potential, but it is not on the docket for me this week. This bunny is a candidate for one of the scariest things I've seen in Goodwill for a while. Ay, 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 ay. I'm sorry if you watch this video and you're the one who made it and donated it. It's just a little scary. These are cute for Halloween time. I believe it was $1.99. How funny is this wine sign? I think it might have sold already, but it could still be on the website. I have not checked. Which is a good time to tell you you can shop rusticrehabs.com anytime. We love to ship stuff out to you and help you find really unique gifts. Like this little Discover map block sign. I've bought this before. This I did not buy, the raccoons in a canoe. These are vintage Anchor Hocking, and I am going to put these away until fall. They're so cute. And these are vintage California pottery, also cool, and being put away till fall. Unless you want them, I'll dig them out, but I have not priced them. I usually put that kind of stuff away so that I have fall, Christmas, etc. decor when it's time, because I could never keep up if I had to do it in season. The store was so busy today with this coupon that I had to go in the glass aisle because every other aisle I usually shop was full. I don't know a lot about a lot of the glass items, but I do like to grab stuff sometimes, like these crate and barrel bowls. They are super cute. I think I'm going to use them just as a display, but I don't know. But I do love them. I think they were $1.99 each. You know, I can always use some teacups, especially really sweet ones. So we grabbed these. They would have been, maybe 80 cents. I should know how much the cups are if they're not marked, but I don't. It might be $1.50 or 99 cents. This is a little vase. It's mid-century and it's German. So we will put this away till Chris Kindle in December. I did score this vintage MCM Pyrex. It is pretty cute. I spy a baby Jesus all by himself. We will put this out at Christmas time and he'll get it home super fast. This jewelry box is massive. It already got flipped for Michelle and is going to be headed to Pennsylvania. I am so excited about this. We fixed her up with DIY's Plum Pudding Cottage Color one-step paint, no sanding, stripping, priming, and then I added pieces of the pressed floral transfer from Prima. Which reminds me, there's a new Prima drop coming out this week, so pay attention, guys. Get in the store. I think it's happening on Tuesday. I should know. I'm just having a hard time keeping up with all the things. But if you follow me, I'll be screaming it from the hilltops. This marble looking candlestick is pretty cool. It's not marble, but it's a pretty good knockoff. One of the best scores, you can see it was still on the cart. They just wheeled it out. Is this huge hydrangea in a bucket. It was $25.99 before the coupon, and it was marked at $99.99 at Home Goods or something like that. So we cleaned it up. We put some dark wax on it to age it even more, and for me it's $49.99. I expect that it will either go fast or just be around and look pretty in my shop for a long time. Either way, I'm good. These winter magnolias are gorgeous. They appear to be new, and I think they were only $5 before the coupon. And then I also scored this fall arrangement, which is like completely different. And this was also only $5. So whoever was pricing today was my friend. This was a couple of bucks as lemon. I've looked at it for a while. I don't know if I'm going to repaint it or not. And this reminds me of when I worked at a bar in Elkhart Lake and I had to make Tom Collins's for the golfers that came out on like a Wednesday afternoon or something. I didn't really know how to make Tom Collins's. They missed Jerry, their regular bartender, that day. This was $2 and it's just a cute little add-on to make this shop look springy. Last aisle before we head to the checkout with our full cart, I scored this little squirrel who's very, very cute. He was also about $2. To buy my paints, products, or any of the things you see here today, you can visit my website, rusticrehabs.com, or visit our shop in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. We're open Tuesday through Saturday. This Harry and David little cube is gonna look really good with a plant in it once I get around to it. It was only $1.99. Here's a look at our cart. It's about $80 after 20% off, and I had a $10 or $11 reward, so use those rewards, people. You can shop my website or come on in. We're open Tuesday through Saturday. And here's some snippets of our very busy week. We did make and takes. We had a scavenger hunt with bunnies. We played with milk paint. We had lots of fun on our open paint, which is every Thursday from 4 to 7. I'd also love for you to drop back and watch these videos and one with me and Sonnet. Take good care. See you soon.